morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Alright, so I'm on my way to my hospital project this morning. Got some more supplies. And machines coming today. So let's see how this project goes for me today. Alright, I'll give y'all a little sneak peek of what we're doing today. Alright, talk to you later. Alright, y'all, it's looking good. It's looking good. So this is part of the floors we had to do. This part is done. All these ledges is done. We're still back here. Gotta clean this up real good. Find a dirty spot y'all can see, because we're making a lot of progress. So all of this here is done. I got a team upstairs getting those rooms. So this is where I was just at. Okay, so we gotta clean all these floors. Whew, them steps. So there's another part. Hey, Dion, how you get to the other part?
I got another power over here too, bro.
How did we get to that other part? Okay, here I come. Oh, at them steps. I seen this door too. I didn't go through it. Cause I wasn't ready to go up there yet. But
if you're coming from the elevator right here, what I found out, from that elevator right there.
It's right.
Yeah, right down.
See how? Let me remember how dirty it was up here.
Yeah. Look at them legs go. You've been going all day.
I've got my walks in now.
Got your steps up?
Yeah. Okay. It's small, but it's a lot sweet. Alright. No, it's not. But y'all gonna need to spray, because all that's gonna be a bunch of dust. We almost done. Blessing. And tomorrow we can come and touch up everything. Yeah, get this hallway.
Where am I going with this wire?
Leave it there. I don't know what to do. I don't want to throw it away. I don't want to be responsible for that. Okay, so upstairs, when y'all go up there, you're going to need to take that spray, not the dust spray, water, because it's so much thickness to the floor that's going to
loosen up.
not only that, you're going to be a dust ball if you don't. I'm not here.
That's okay.
We ain't been, I was going to bring some before, but we hadn't had that much dust for that. But that could have used it.
Yeah, nah. That's all good. We make it work. I'm about to go grab the...
Yeah, so y'all don't be so dusty. And I brought some masks. Put some masks on when you go up there. Because it's going to be super dusty. All right, y'all. Let me get to work.